My name is Marco from LightObject, and today I'm going to show you a quick feature from our DSP controller card T9. The feature's name recut. So what recut is doing, it helps you to recut part of the cutting that failed to cut through the first time. So instead of cutting from the beginning, you actually can drive the laser head, fly over to that particular spot and redo the cutting. Okay, let me try this sample on the recut. We got a nice chicken here. So let me just make a fast cut, simulate the original cut, the first cut, all right? So I'm going to set it for high speed. And low power, 40, 30, or actually 30 and 20. So I'm going to click download. Okay. Now we are going to make the cut on a sample board. And we turn on the exhaust fan. Okay, now let's go. Okay, assuming this area and this area in between didn't cut through. I mean, this circle and this part, if it doesn't cut through, for most laser machine, we have to start over again, starting from here and cut all the way down to here. So it takes so much time, so much work. So for the T9, actually, we can drive the laser head, go over this particular area, and we cut this area. So how do we do it? Let's go. Okay. Now, this is the area we want to recut, right? So we click the button here, touch the circle, and then we double click at an anchor over here and add another anchor. Let's say this area. And then we touch this part, right click, and then cut first. Once we enter the cut first, this portion, it will change color. And the system will create another layer with the corresponding color over here. And you can see that it already defines some speed and the power. So how do we cut this area? We disable the output from the main cutting, and you see that the rest area will be disappear and left the area that we want to recut. So we want to change the power, let's say 30, and then the power, let's say 60, and the corner power 50. After done, we click download again and click download. Okay, once we click the download button, you will see that little portion show up on the screen. It's really tiny spot. You may not be able to see it, but it is here. And then we click start. Now pay attention to the laser. Ready? Go. You see that it will go over and cut this area without going through from the beginning. All right, let's do again. Now I can do multiple times by hitting the start key again. You see that it will keep burning the same area again and again.